natin is the quantity x minus 2y dx plus 2x plus y dy is equal to 0. So, ilat natin ang y is equal to vx and dy is equal to v dx plus x dv. So, ngayon, gawin muna natin, i-substitute natin yung y equals vx sa equation natin. So, magiging siyang x minus 2 vx dx plus the quantity 2x plus y is equal to vx dy is equal to v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, may mga common siya na x. So, ilabas natin, magiging siyang x times the quantity 1 minus 2v dx plus x times the quantity 2 plus v dx plus x dv is equal to 0. So, pwede na natin multiply both sides by 1 over x or ibig sabihin yan, divide na natin both sides by x. So, makakancel yung mga x dyan. May x dito. So, matitira na lang is 1 minus 2v dx plus 2 plus v dx. I-distribute na natin. Magiging plus 2 plus v x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, distribute natin tong v sa 2 plus v. So, magiging siyang 1 minus 2v dx plus 2 times v plus v times v is v squared dx plus 2 plus v x dv is equal to 0. So, itong dalawa, pareha sila may dx dito sa dulo. So, pwede natin silang i-combine. So, may 2v dito, may negative 2v dito. Ibig sabihin, makakancel na silang dalawa. So, ang tira na lang is 1. Itong 1 plus v squared dx. Itong dx dito. dx plus ito, copy na lang natin, 2 plus v x dv is equal to 0. So, ngayon, erase ko muna to. Lipat ko to. So, ang gagawin na lang natin ngayon is separate natin yung variable. So, magiging dx, ito, over x, plus, copy natin to, 2 plus v, dv, all over 1 plus v squared is equal to 0. So, ngayon is i-simplify na natin, ay integrate na natin yung both sides. So, ito, allow na naman natin yan na ln x lang naman yan kasi dx over x lang naman. Pero ito, medyo complicated. So, isolve natin sa gilid. Ay, dito na lang tuloy. So, magiging siyang, ito, pwede natin itong ihiwalay, itong 2 plus v. So, magiging siyang 2 over 1 plus v squared dv plus ito, v over 1 plus v squared dv is equal to 0 is, integration of 0 is c. So, ln x plus, alam natin na pwede natin itong ilabas. So, magiging 2, copy na lang natin. And, ang tira na lang dyan is, imagine nyo, ito may 1, ito 2 nilabas na. So, 1 over 1 plus v squared, familiar siya. Arctan v lang naman siya, according to the formulas. So, yan. Plus, v over 1 plus v squared, ang pwede natin gawin dyan is u substitution. Meaning, ilalat yun natin yung u is equal to 1 plus v squared. du is equal to 0 plus 2v dv. So, may v dv dito. So, solve natin siya. v dv is equal to du over 2. So, ngayon is, palitan na natin yung mga factor, ay mga variables dito. So, v dv, ito, is du over 2 all over 1 plus v squared is u yan, u. So, u is equal to c. So, ln x plus 2 arctan v plus, pwede natin dito yung ilabas yung 1/2. So, magiging 1/2 du over u. Pero ang du over u, alam naman natin na ln u lang naman siya. So, palitan na natin siya. Kasi ma-integrate na. So, magiging ln u or ln u is just 1 plus v squared. So, palitan lang natin, maging 1 plus v squared is equal to ln c. So, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is palitan natin yung mga v. Ito. V. And, kagaya ng ginawa natin kanina is y is equal to vx. Therefore, v is equal to y over x. So, palitan na natin yung mga v dyan. Magiging ng ln x plus 2 arctan. Itong v is y over x plus 1/2 ln 1 plus ito is y over x squared is equal to ln c. So, ngayon is isimplify pa natin siya. Erase ko lang to. And lipat na natin to. So, ito, magiging siyang multiply na natin both sides by 2 kasi may denominator tayong 2. So, para mas ma-simplify. So, magiging 2 ln x plus 2 times 2 is 4 arctan y over x plus, makakancel na to, plus ln 1 plus y squared. Distribute na natin yung mga square over x squared. So, ito, pwede natin itong ma-simplify as gawin natin yung denominator ng x squared. Ayusin natin. X squared. Then, x squared divided by the 1 na denominator dito sa 1 is x squared lang naman. Times 1 is x squared. So, plus, copy na lang natin yung y squared. So, yan yung equivalent nito, which is ito yan. So, pwede natin siyang palitan. Ito. Magiging ng x squared plus y squared over x squared. Erase na lang natin to. So, ngayon naman ang gagawin natin is, copy natin to. 2 times ln c is 2 ln c. 2 ln x is by logarithmic properties, magiging siyang ln x squared. So, erase na natin to. Palitan natin ng ln x squared. Ito din, magiging 2 ln c is ln c squared. So, ngayon, pwede na natin makombine itong ln and ln. Ngayon is magiging ln, multiply lang natin x squared times x squared y squared, x squared plus y squared, all over x squared, plus 4 arctan is equal to, itong c tuloy, wag na natin gawing ln, so magiging c lang naman yan. Equals lang naman, so ito makakancel. Magiging ln x squared plus y squared plus 4 arctan y over x, makalimutan ko, y over x is equal to c. So, yan na yung final answer natin.